Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you free Excel course that you can take it. Here you can see here, this is the free Excel course. So I will show you. Here you can see here advanced Excel and financial calculations, and this is a very advanced course, and a lot of Excel videos don't cover advanced topics in Excel. So this course covers all the advanced topics of Excel, and here you can see here advanced Excel and financial calculations, and the rating listed in MS Office, and this language is English, and difficulty is intermediate. You can take it as a beginner as well. And here you can see here the content 10 plus hours, and the instructor, and the benefit: no prior knowledge of Excel is required. Here you can see here beginners can take, and the topics covered: basics of Excel, formatting tools, various functions, lookup, mathematical, statistical, text, and all of these functions, various tools, manipulating data, Power Query and Power Pivot, and charts and pivot charts, interactive dashboards, and handling errors. Here you can see here all of these topics will be covered in this course of Excel 4.4 ratings as well. For enrolling to this course, you have to click on Enroll Now button, and here you can see here you have to sign up. If you want to sign up, you have to click on this Sign Up Here button. And after clicking on that, you have to give your first name, last name, email, phone number, and agree to the terms and conditions. After giving your details, you have to click on Register Now. Checking your informations. So it says email already registered. After signing in or signing up, you have to give a coupon code of FZ fact. So FZ and fact, you have to give that coupon code. Here you can see here you have to click on the apply button. After clicking on the apply button, coupon applied successfully, and here you can see here the payable amount is 0, and you can start a course. So all this for that video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to the channel.